Good morning, everyone. I don't know if it's morning for you, but it's morning for me. I have just had my coffee and I am ready to make some videos. This is the mold we're doing today. And I don't know if you can tell, but these are really cute tarot card molds and they are so intricate and so cute. And I just can't wait until I know what this is. I haven't demolded them yet before doing this voiceover, so I'm going to be just as excited as you when I go and do that. So I have two of these. I got these, I believe, on Temu, and I'll link everything in the description. And I can't wait to see how these work. I'm going to do a couple different filling techniques. One of them I'm going to do the Chameleon powders, which I'm doing here. And I'm going to speed this part up because I'm just playing around. So this is really fun to play around with. I'm just using one of those. I bought a whole bunch of these makeup applicators and they work really well with like mica powders and things like that. They didn't work great for the Chameleon powders. I feel like a brush would have worked better, but I didn't really have a paintbrush handy. So I need to go buy some. So I'm doing some Chameleon powders in here, seeing what that looks like. And I just feel like with these little tarot card things, the sky is the limit. You could make it one color and the relief, is it a relief? When it like makes the resin, I don't know. Anyway, I feel like you could do whatever you want. So I'm trying a few different things to see which one that I like the best. So the Chameleon powders are always my favorite. These are Chameleon Flakes because I don't have any Chameleon powders right now. So these Chameleon Flakes, I'm just kind of pressing in there, and I'll link the description in the bottom below where I got those. So this is the next technique I'm going to try to use. And I'm so sorry that my head got in here, but these designs are so tiny. I just had to get up and close. And so you're going to see the back of my head a couple of times. You're going to see my gray hair. Thankfully I don't have dandruff right now, so that's great. But this is me coloring with just some paint pens. So these are paint markers. They will come off of the mold with the demold, so you don't have to worry about that. So I'm just kind of, this is a little wizard guy. I'm painting the little bitty tiny things. I wasn't being super careful because I thought, well, we'll see what this looks like. It's kind of an experiment, and sometimes things look better when they're not perfect. So I'm gonna just try my best. And I'm not a wonderful artist, so with drawing and coloring. So we'll see how that looks. And this is just mica powder. I decided to just go all for it and cover a few of them just with total mica powder. So the top one was this blue color, and this is like a pearlescent color I thought would look nice with this one. And this is a purple, and I'm just taking one of those little micro brushes and I'm just painting the part that I want to be colored. So just like the little wings there, the little butterfly thing. And I decided to use black. So black is going to be the background to a lot of the ones that I got fancy with. Just because I think black is a good background for anything that you want to show up. So the marker drawing that I didn't color everything in. I just colored like, you know, the main parts in. And that's going to have a black background so that the marker really sticks out. And the Chameleon powders will have a black background so that those really stick out. I also did a little bit of purple. I did a couple purple ones. And this is the clear that I did. And I'm just kind of seeing what clear looks like. And I'm also going to add some alcohol inks just because I don't really do a ton with alcohol inks because I've had some issues with them helping my resin not to cure correctly. So I don't love using alcohol inks, but I'm going to try it in this just because it's kind of an experiment to see which way of coloring these that I like. And this is a really cool crow, and all I did was color in the crow over there. And I'm going to do some purple and some white, and hopefully this looks good. I have no idea what it looks like yet. So I'm excited to figure it out. And then I did take a long neck lighter and pop some bubbles. Always do that with a lighter and not like the big torch thing. Okay, I already demolded one because I couldn't wait. And look at it. There's a few little things I need to shave off, but that's super easy. But look at it. Wheel of Fortune. Oh my gosh, it's a spinning wheel. Oh, love it. And oh, this one, severely overpour on that one. That one's gonna take some work. This one was just a plain one. the Fool. These came out so great. Hardly any bubbles. Don't look at that. And let's see. Ooh, which one? Okay, we'll just keep going. Oh, this one is one that I just painted, the Little Mermaid. It looks all right. It's not my favorite, but it adds a little color. Little color. Let's do this one. Ooh. I kind of just like the randomness of the Chameleon flakes in there. This is another plain one. Oh yeah, this one's nice. Oh, I like this one with the moon in there. And I just colored the moon. So cute. Let's do this one next. Ooh, this is one of the marker ones. Ooh, do I like this? No, I don't. I don't really like this. I didn't do a great job. I just didn't do a good job. Darn it. I think I can fix it. All right, let's do the purple one. This one was purple, and I colored in the butterfly or whatever it is. Not bad, not bad. Ooh, let's do this one. Oh, that didn't work out. This one didn't work out. Ooh, it's a little sticky. Ooh, yeah. So that one didn't work out. Don't do that. Oh, this one would have been cool. Anyway, it's cured, but this is a little sticky. I don't like that. Oh, nope, not you. Oh, this one's going to be equally horrible. Darn it. My cute crow. All right, well, I know for next time. My sinker sunk a little too much, and it's sticky. Ooh, yeah, look. Ooh. Nope. Fail. But we have some more. So this one, oh yeah, I like the randomness. It kind of takes away from the design a little, so I think I can fix it. But I do like the randomness. Look at that. Oh, so cool. Okay. Ooh, this one was just the plain mica powder. Oh, this might be my favorite. Yeah, so the design, you can actually see better. And it is still like glistening, but yeah. Oh, that one's really nice. That one's nice. Okay. And oh, this one was the one that I did all the pearl. That one's not bad, not bad. Oh. So the marker would have been great, but I don't really like it. I think it's just kind of ugly. But I'm going to see if I can color in the parts that are dark, the like relief, because the way the mold is, it like creates a depression in the resin there. So if I put paint over it and then wipe the paint off, the paint should go in there and then bring out that design, and it might fix the awkwardness of some of these. So let's do that. Okay, let's do this one first. I'm so excited. So that's just some acrylic paint. Nothing exciting. You can use the cheapest paint in the world or the most expensive. It doesn't matter. And I'm just taking it with my finger and like pressing it into the design here so that it gets nice and in the little lines, because they are very fine little lines. So this seems to be the best way. Just your finger, and it's super fun. Just get in there, get dirty, and take some paper towels. And here I'm going to wipe it away. And it's like magic. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This literally just changed the whole game. Like, they looked adequate before. They looked cute before. They looked great before. Like, oh, that's fun. But now, with the paint in there, bringing out that design, it's like, look at these. These are amazing. Oh my gosh. I was so excited. And I just did. I ended up doing every single one. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Perfect. This is my favorite thing to do. And the design with the powder, I mean, look how excited. Oh my gosh, it was so great. And those actually, the paint wipes off really, really well. You can let that paint dry if you really want to, and then wipe it off with alcohol, like isopropyl alcohol when you're done, and it comes off great. If you wipe it off when it's wet, it's a little easier to get everything off, and then you can clean up the rest. If it dries on there, you can clean that off with alcohol. It comes off of resin super easily. And I just kept going. This is a plain one. And just sticking it in there, pressing it into the little designs that the mold left over. And some molds, they leave a raised design. So if you were to do this on a mold that left a raised design, then it would go in the parts that are obviously not raised. It would go in the depressions or the impressions of the mold. So you kind of have to, if we have a different type of mold where the design is up, then the background would be what would hold the paint. So, I mean, just think about it when you put paint on resin pieces like this. But oh my gosh, it looks great. I mean, even just plain black, just plain whatever color. You could do this on clear and put black paint on there. And oh, I'm going to do that next. But yeah, look at it. It looks amazing. And you just wipe it off. And then I wiped off most of it and then let the paint dry. And then I went back with the alcohol, like I said, and they cleaned up beautifully. This is like, I'm going to make a whole bunch more. These are so great. I don't even care if I sell them. Like, I just want them all. And if you know anything about tarot cards, I don't know that much about tarot cards or what the tarot means. If you do, let me know. Look at it. Oh, beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm like in love with these. I'm going to turn them into some keychains, I think. Super cute. Oh my God. And here they are all laid out. I had some tassels and some little beads that I stuck on there. And I know that this is angled weird, but this is a close-up, kind of a slow look at these cute keychains. I will list everything that I used for the hardware and everything in the description below. And all it is you just drill a little hole with a little Dremel at the top and screw in that little eyelet, and then it's just a little keychain, little hook and everything that I got on Amazon, little tassels also from Amazon, and then just some beads that I had laying around. I don't have links for those. Those are just some fun beads I've had through the years. And I just love this moon one. It is so pretty. I'm going to make some a whole bunch more. I just can't get over these. And they feel really cool too. They're a really nice size in your hand. They are super detailed, and I am so glad the paint trick worked so well in these little bitty lines. This is like the way to go with that. And this guy, the Emperor, that guy turned out okay. He doesn't look bad. I wouldn't say he's the most handsome emperor in the world, but you know, he's all right. And the rest of them just turned out great. I do think that my favorite ones are like the randomly placed flakes, like this one, the sun. I just think this gives it a little extra vavoom. I just love it. And they are lightweight. They're great. And this one, oh my gosh, such cool colors with those chameleon flakes. I just can't. And then this is just a plain one, plain black with the paint, and that looks great too. Like, you can go super simple, you can go fancy. These will be on my Etsy shop if you're interested in purchasing one of those. I can have the link to my Etsy shop down below as well, and along with a lot of other cool stuff that you've probably seen me make if you watch my videos at all. And this is the mermaid one. Oh my gosh, I love it. The world. I don't know what any of these really mean. I know a little bit, but not a whole bunch. If you have any other ideas of cool things that I can do with this, or even just making them into like sets to have, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.